Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how to make this 12-volt battery charger. It's very useful. You can use several battery, bigger one, smaller one. It's very interesting. So let's start. We'll need some wires, transformer, capacitor, and a transistor, and a regulator. 2 diode. I got this from an old power supply. It's a 3 amp diode. Another 1 diode. Voltmeter display to know the exact voltage I'm having. Okay, let's start. I'm going to fix the capacitor into the transformer. And by the way, this transformer have 4 input wire. So how to identify which one you're gonna put the 230 volt? You just have to measure its resistance. Like these 2 wire, we having 6.3 ohm, and these 2 wire are gonna be 1.3 ohm. So I'm going to use the higher resistance I'm having for the input supply. The center tap of the transformer is going to the negative of the cap. As 2 lost winding, we'll be going through the diode and to the positive of the capacitor. Here is the final result. Now we have a positive and negative source, DC, of course. And now I'm going to fix both my regulator and transistor to the base of the transformer, so it can dissipate heat, of course. a separator to avoid the base touching to the heatsink. And now let's do the wire. So I'm going to use the power voltage from the capacitor, go directly to the input of the regulator, and the output of the regulator gonna go to the input of the transistor. Let's start. So my positive and negative go straight to the regulator, input of the regulator, and the output go to the base of my transistor. Now my collector gonna go straight to the positive of the capacitor. Collector to cap. Now what's remaining is this 2 wire. Positive wire is from the output of the transistor, and the negative wire is from the negative cap. Those 2 wires are gonna go to my battery to charge it up. Now, lossing loss, I'm gonna to add this voltmeter display. I'll put it on the transformer. So how are we gonna plug it? I'm gonna use the 15-volt output from the regulator and power it directly. Then the lost wire gonna go to my battery, positive of my battery, so I can know what voltage is it charging. And the final step, I'll just tip my digital voltage meter, and we're ready to go. Last step, plug the wire for the primary. So my plug is ready. Time to test it out and check the voltage. I'm gonna plug it in. Power on. This is my output voltage. Let me show you. I'm having 14.6 volts. Let me confirm this voltage using my meter. Yeah, it's confirmed. 14.5.6 volt. So it's working fine. Let's test the input voltage from the rectifier to the cap. So I'm having around 20 volt input. The regulator, and I convert this 20 volt to 14 volt. So with this voltage I can charge my battery. Time to charge some battery. This battery is very low, 9 volt. Let's charge it up. And now you can see it's charging 13.6, 13.7. 13.8, and voila. You can charge bigger battery, like a car battery. I have 11.5 volt on this battery. It's a 12 volt battery. It's for car. You can charge this as well. It's 12 volt 45 amp. So let's charge that. And it's charging.